Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating index, HTML in Notepad and saving with UTF-8. Once saved, type doctype HTML and open the HTML and head tags. This tells the browser how to render. Next, add meta charset equals UTF-8 so characters display correctly. Then create a simple body placeholder. These steps let your page accept JavaScript without surprises. Make sure to keep the file extension HTML and not TXT so the browser will treat it as a web page. You now add JavaScript. For immediate scripts, place script before /body. For early execution, put it in head with defer. Write simple statements like console log ready to verify behavior. Once done, move longer code into app.js and include it with script src equals app.js/script to keep HTML clean. Make sure variable and function names are consistent. Also avoid global pollution by wrapping code in an EIF or using modules if supported. You finish by testing in a browser, open index, HTML and press F12 to inspect the console and network tabs. If you see errors, read the line numbers and correct syntax or missing file paths, then save and refresh. If code runs, verify interactive elements work across browsers. One key troubleshooting tip: if the script appears not to run, confirm the file extension is HTML, the script src path is correct, and browser caching is cleared or bypassed with Ctrl plus F5.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.